Guys, this is a failed review. 1 second. Whoa! I broke this piece. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Oh! Hi Jagged fans, welcome to Jagged's Unboxing. Today we're doing the Airwood drones. Alright, let's see what's inside.
Five minutes later.
So guys, like 5 minutes in, I'm literally spiraling. This is not as easy as they advertise it to be. Look how many parts there are just for the controller. Some of them, like frankly, they don't fit perfectly.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I just thought I started to make sense. I literally, I broke I broke this piece and I don't see any replacement. Hopefully I can do it without it. Like one other thing about this wood is it's very thin. Like I get it because they want to keep everything light, but it's also very fragile. Okay, so the controller is a big failure. Some stuck together, but I made a very watered down version of it. And the power button fell off in the process. Let's move on to build a real drone. I kind of like the Taiji. Look how many parts there are. After an hour of struggling, we finally put this together. Completely give up on the controller. You see a lot of little pieces like this, and some of them just don't match perfectly, and then on and off button broke. But we managed to power through. So basically, when you put this together, a few notes. One of the most important thing is to watch out for the motor. So they rotate in different ways. You have to follow the instruction religiously on which ones goes where. I'm gonna be honest, this is probably the hardest review ever done. Let's see how this thing flies. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Let's try again. Up, 1 second, down, and up. I literally slammed dunk itself on the ground. I'm thinking about why this thing will fail. There's a lot of stuff that we can't control, and the battery pack, so there's no pouch for this, so it just hang around like this. So that definitely create like an imbalance. I can't lock it anywhere. So what we did is we recalibrate this drone according to the instruction. We also taped the battery onto the drone so it doesn't like move around. Let's see if it helps or not. Oh, whoa. So maybe we'll try a different design.
Much later.
Okay, after half an hour trying, we put together a new drone, and then it has a lot of same issues. There's nowhere to put the battery. We just tape it on. We calibrated it, and hopefully it'll fly. Oh! So one of the problem is this just doesn't work. See the propeller? They'll get in the way. Let me take off all of this like useless thing. Let's just keep it simple. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Ooh, looking better already. All right. Whoa! All right, that might be the best flight we had. Here's a little bit of aftermath. One of the motor fell off and the wood is damaged. I think we're gonna call it a day, and we're gonna give you guys our final verdict. This thing looks pretty cool. You can come up with a different design. I'm not gonna lie, I had fun putting the woods together, and it's an interesting concept because the wood is cheap, and then you can just, you know, like replacing parts and keep going with a modular design. But another thing is, this structure is not very stable. So, and especially when you have to piece it together yourself, there's a lot of point that is really weak and is wobbly. And somebody needs to come with a better design for this drone because the wood itself is very light. So when you put a battery pack in plus a motor, the weight is very difficult to balance. Thanks for watching this episode of GI Unboxing, and please let us know what we should review next.